Yes, going on a safari in Africa is an exciting adventure, and packing smartly can bring you a smoother experience and a nice travel trip. I'll give you some gears to bring while traveling. First of all, you have to think about your mobile, where you keep your mobile and money. You see, that's my money belt. Your mobile, your money can be packed here. You can also pack other essential things. The other things to bring is, in Africa, when you arrive at the airport in the morning, early in the morning or later in the evening, sometimes we feel the itching of the neck due to the change of the weather. I recommend fisherman friend. This is what I use, my good friend. Yes, when traveling, you need a good rucksack like this. Put your things there. It has many pockets. I recommend that. Good pair of shoes. I have here my Hoka shoes. You can also have comfortable shoes while on the flight. There you are, eco shoe. And for those going for camping, a nice sleeping bag, waterproof. You can bring like that one. Other gears which are very, very important is the binoculars. It helps you to see the animals at a long distance, and you can even zoom and the animals become so close to you. I always advise take a night gear. This is a torch. Switch at night when walking. In your room you have a torch, but when walking alone, recommend you have a small torch like that. That can help when it's a bit dark. You will be taking a lot of pictures, so you need where you can save all your pictures. This is important to carry with you. Your travel documents. Nowadays, we don't really need a lot of travel documents. You can put everything on the mobile. But I tell you, sometimes those mobile don't work in Africa. You're in the jungle, you're in the savannah. Pack your documents like this. This is a plastic bag, waterproof. Put all your bags there. Oh, mine is nice like Keno Safaris. Passports, vaccination documents, other necessary documents, put them there. And this is a waterproof. Important. Have a notebook. I got mine here. Keno Safaris notebook. Have a pen. Can note all things here. It's a nice one, tiny one. Pack that with you. I always carry myself a matchbox. Yes, essential. You are live in the room. Sometimes the lights are not working. There's a candle there. You just chew and your lights are on at the moment. Another thing you can also, I was talking about the document. You can insert your documents here. This is the voucher. We give our class like this, but you can put your documents all there and pin them inside. Very essential. And it has such a logo. Yeah, good. We always provide our clients with this. You also get them at the airport, where you put your name, tack on your bag. If your bag is lost, we can trace it very fast with this. And did I tell you that if you miss your passport when you are traveling, we can fix your passport immediately. We contact the embassy while you are still on safari, and we can fix that. That's a tip for you. Always carry sun cream. This is 30. You can have one like this with 50. I go with aloe vera. I like these, especially in the evening, due to avoid mosquito bites and such things. I love capes. Yoo-hoo! That's one of my favorite. I'm gonna also have something like this when traveling and also golfing. This is so nice. And then the ladies, sun protection. We need that. We also need something like, yes. At night, my dear sisters and brothers, you need this. And early in the morning, game tries, Even in game drives, you need a nice hat like this. It's warm and cozy. Yes, have a good camera which can zoom. Have a very good camera when heading to Africa on safari. This is essentials. Yeah. Yes. And the other thing we provide when you arrive in Africa is a water bottle. You see, mine is there. And the low canoes of you also have like this, a thermos for hot cocoa in the morning. Have a good day. My name is Rose Miller, your travel agent.